About this item: support CD and DVD burning, optical disc drive compatible with multiple discs including CD-ROM, CDR, CD+/RW, DVD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD+/RW, DVD-RDL, VCD-ROM. After the CD drive is installed, you can use a media player, burning software, and ripping software to complete various tasks such as watching movie DVDs, burning/ripping CDs and DVDs, installing software/system/games, backing up data to disks, and more. 4-in-1 USB hub. Our external drive can not only burn and read CD/DVD, but also can be used as an external laptop USB hub, including 2 USB 3.0 port, 1 TF slot, 1 SD card slot, which will effectively solve the problem of insufficient USB ports. The card slot are perfect for transferring photo and video files by your camera from cards to your computer. Note: SD port and TF port cannot be used at the same time. High writing and reading speed. External DVD-RW drive offers max 8x DVD rewrite read speed and max 24x CD write/read burner speed. This Type-C and USB 3.0 CD/DVD drive will bring you maximum 5 Gbps data transmission speed, plays music, movies, and installing software or system,